Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review, please note that the link to purchase the wireless keyboard and mouse combo at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This ergonomic, full-sized keyboard and mouse set is designed to elevate your typing and navigation experience whether you're working on a computer, laptop, PC, Mac, or Windows device. One of the standout features of this combo is its thoughtfully designed cushioned palm rest. Unlike traditional keyboards, it includes a curved palm rest layered with soft memory foam and covered in a resilient leather surface. This design significantly reduces wrist bending and discomfort during long hours of typing, promoting a healthier posture. Complementing this is the wave-shaped key layout, which arches gently in the center to encourage a natural hand position, making your typing feel more comfortable and efficient. Another practical addition is the built-in phone and tablet holder, a spacious 7.28-inch slot that allows you to keep your devices within easy view. This is especially handy for multitasking or keeping an eye on notifications without interrupting your workflow. Connectivity is seamless with the 2.4 GHz wireless technology, offering a reliable connection up to 33 feet away. The plug-and-play setup means no driver installation is necessary, and both the keyboard and mouse share a single USB receiver, reducing clutter and simplifying your workspace. Pros of this wireless combo include its ergonomic design that prioritizes comfort, the convenient phone/tablet holder, strong wireless connectivity, and compatibility across multiple platforms. On the downside, while the cushioned palm rest is excellent for comfort, some users might find the wave-shaped keys take a little time to get used to if they are accustomed to flat keyboards. Additionally, the mouse included is basic and may not satisfy users looking for advanced features. Overall, this wireless keyboard and mouse combo is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking comfort, practicality, and wireless freedom in their daily computing tasks. Don't forget, the link to get this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out and upgrade your workspace today.